German engineers hide clever features in their cars that many drivers never discover. Stay to the end, because the number one hidden function on this list is one most owners have, but almost nobody knows how to use. Number 10. Fuel lid button. Many Volkswagen models like the Polo, Golf, and Vento have a dashboard button next to the fuel gauge that pops open the fuel filler lid. No need to fumble under the seat or use the key like most people do. Press it briefly after unlocking your car, and the fuel door releases automatically. It's incredibly handy at busy gas stations, but most new Volkswagen owners miss it completely because it's not obvious what the button does. The button usually has a small fuel pump icon, but it's positioned where you might think it's just part of the gauge cluster design. Many owners go months or years pulling the manual release lever inside the car. This feature works on most modern Volkswagen models from around 2015 onwards, but the button location varies slightly. On some cars, it's integrated into the instrument cluster, while others have it as a separate button near the fuel gauge. The system only works when the car is unlocked, which is a security feature to prevent tampering. If you press it while the car is locked, nothing happens, which confuses some owners who try it at the wrong time. Once you know about this button, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. No more reaching under the seat, no more fumbling with keys at the pump, just a simple button press and you're ready to fuel up. This is especially useful in winter when you're wearing gloves or when you're in a hurry. The convenience factor is huge once you get in the habit of using it instead of the manual release. Number 9. Bonnet latch behind door. On Volkswagen Polo and Vento models, the bonnet release lever sits inside the driver's door footwell. But here's the trick. It's blocked by the closed door panel, so you have to open the door first, then pull twice. Most drivers spend ages looking for the hood release because they expect it to be accessible with the door closed. The lever is there, but you literally cannot reach it until you open the driver's door. This quirky design prevents accidental hood pops while driving, but it surprises most drivers who need to check under the hood. Even mechanics sometimes get confused the first time they work on these cars. The process is simple once you know it. Open the driver's door, look down at the footwell area, pull the lever once to release the primary latch, then go to the front of the car and pull the secondary release under the hood. This design is different from most cars where the hood release is accessible from the driver's seat with the door closed. VW engineers prioritized safety over convenience with this setup. Some owners discover this by accident when they're cleaning the car or getting out in a tight parking space. Others go to service centers thinking their hood release is broken when it's just hidden. The secondary release under the hood is standard, but that first pull from inside the footwell catches everyone off guard. Once you know the sequence, it becomes second nature. Number 8. Key fob window control. Hold the unlock button on your Volkswagen, Audi, or seat key fob to lower all windows for ventilation. Hold the lock button to raise them back up. This works from 10 to 20 feet away and includes anti-pinch safety. This feature is perfect for hot days when you want to start cooling the car before you get in. You can ventilate the interior while walking to your car, making it much more comfortable when you open the door. The anti-pinch safety means the windows will stop and reverse if they detect an obstruction while closing. This prevents damage to the window mechanisms and protects anything that might be in the way. Most owners never discover this because they only press the buttons briefly for normal locking and unlocking. You have to hold the buttons for several seconds to activate the window function. The range varies by model and key fob battery strength, but it typically works from across a parking lot. This gives you plenty of time to walk to your car while the windows are opening or closing. Test this feature when you're parked safely to get familiar with how it works. The timing can vary between models, and you want to know exactly how your car responds before using it regularly. This feature can be disabled in some markets or models due to local regulations, but it's available on most European-spec German cars. Check your owner's manual to confirm it's active on your specific vehicle. Number 7. All Windows 1 Touchdown. Volkswagen Polo and higher trim models from around 2016 onwards offer one-touch auto down for all 4 windows via the driver's master switch. Tap the switch once fully down, and all windows drop automatically with anti-pinch protection. This creates instant ventilation throughout the car without having to operate each window switch individually. It's much faster than the traditional method of lowering each window separately. The anti-pinch feature stops the windows if they detect resistance, protecting fingers, pets, or objects that might be in the window path. This makes the feature safe to use even with passengers in the car. This premium feature gives even base model hatches a luxury car feel that rivals much more expensive vehicles. It's the kind of detail that makes German engineering feel special. The feature works best when all windows are fully closed to start. If some windows are already partially open, the system might not activate properly or might behave inconsistently. Some models allow you to customize this feature through the infotainment system or by holding certain button combinations. Check your manual for specific programming options on your car. The One Touch-Up function is usually limited to the driver's window only for safety reasons. This prevents accidental closing of all windows, which could be dangerous if someone has their hand or arm outside the car. Number 6. Ticket holder on windscreen. Mercedes and Volkswagen models like the Vento have a small clipper pouch at the top of the windscreen for toll receipts, parking tickets, or cards. It's positioned where you can reach it easily, but most drivers never notice it. This clever storage solution keeps important papers visible and accessible without cluttering the dashboard or center console. It's perfect for parking garage tickets that you need to keep handy. The holder is usually integrated into the headliner or windscreen trim, making it nearly invisible until you need it. German engineers designed it to be functional without affecting the car's clean interior aesthetic. Grab this feature on long drives to stay organized without glove box clutter. It's especially useful for toll roads where you need quick access to tickets or transponders. The position is carefully chosen to be within easy reach of the driver without blocking visibility or interfering with the rearview mirror. It's ergonomically placed for maximum convenience. Some models have multiple holders or clips in different locations around the windscreen area. These can hold different types of documents or cards depending on your needs. This feature is particularly popular in European markets where toll roads and parking tickets are common. It shows how German engineers think about real-world driving scenarios when designing interiors. Number 5. Mercedes standing lamp. Most Mercedes models like the C-Class and E-Class let you pull the light stalk toward you once for a bright side marker, standing light, that illuminates the passenger side for safe nighttime stops on narrow roads. This feature is designed for European driving conditions where you might need to stop on narrow country roads or city streets without proper lighting. It provides safety illumination without draining the battery like hazard lights. The standing light automatically shuts off after 15 to 30 minutes to prevent battery drain. This prevents you from accidentally leaving it on overnight and finding a dead battery in the morning. The light is bright enough to make your car visible to other traffic, but not so bright that it blinds oncoming drivers. It's specifically calibrated for roadside safety situations. This function is required by European regulations for certain situations, which is why it's standard on Mercedes models sold in those markets. It's a legal requirement that becomes a practical convenience feature. The standing light uses the car's side marker and parking lights on one side only, creating an asymmetric lighting pattern that clearly indicates a stopped vehicle rather than a moving one. To activate it, pull the light stalk toward you once with the ignition off. The light will illuminate and stay on for the predetermined time period before automatically shutting off. Number 4. Audi sunroof ventilation. Audi A4 and A6 models tilt the sunroof open for airflow with a double pull on the sunroof switch. This is position 2 on the switch, ideal for fresh air without the full open position that can create wind noise. This ventilation position allows air to flow through the cabin without the buffeting and noise that comes with a fully open sunroof at highway speeds. It's perfect for maintaining fresh air circulation. Close the sunroof via double push on the switch. The system includes drainage channels to prevent leaks, even in this tilted position during light rain. The tilt position creates a venturi effect that draws stale air out of the cabin while allowing fresh air to enter through other vents. This creates better air circulation than just using the climate control system. This feature is especially useful during spring and fall when you want fresh air but don't need the full cooling effect of air conditioning. It provides natural ventilation that feels more comfortable than recirculated air. The drainage system is engineered to handle water that might enter during the tilt position. Small amounts of rain won't cause interior water damage when the sunroof is in ventilation mode. Some Audi models allow you to program this position as a favorite setting, so you can return to your preferred ventilation angle with a single button press. Number 3. Auto High Beam Dipping. BMW 3 Series, Mercedes, and Audi models with adaptive lights use a windshield camera to automatically dip high beams when detecting oncoming traffic or taillights, then resume high beams when the road is clear. This system improves night safety on highways and rural roads by maximizing visibility while preventing you from blinding other drivers. It reacts faster and more consistently than manual high beam control. Activate the system via the light stalk or infotainment menu. Once enabled, it works automatically without any driver input, constantly monitoring traffic conditions ahead. The camera system can distinguish between oncoming headlights, tail lights of cars ahead, and stationary lights like street lamps or building illumination. This prevents false triggering from non-traffic light sources. The system works at speeds above 25 to 30 miles per hour on most models, focusing on highway and rural driving, where high beams provide the most benefit. It's less useful in urban areas with constant street lighting. Some systems can selectively dim portions of the high beam pattern rather than switching the entire beam on and off. This provides maximum illumination while protecting other drivers from glare. The technology has improved significantly in recent years, with faster reaction times and better recognition of different traffic situations. Modern systems rarely make mistakes that older versions were prone to. Number 2. Receipt slot in sun visor. BMW and some Mercedes visors hide a flip-open slot for parking tickets or notes. Flip the visor down, and you'll find a small compartment that slides open to hold paper documents. This hidden storage is perfect for urban drivers who need to keep parking tickets, garage passes, or toll receipts easily accessible. It keeps important papers organized and prevents them from getting lost in the car. The slot is designed to hold standard-sized tickets and receipts without damaging them. It's often undiscovered until someone needs a place to store a parking ticket and accidentally finds it. The visor storage doesn't interfere with the mirror or normal visor function. It's integrated seamlessly into the design, so it doesn't add bulk or change how the visor operates. This feature is particularly useful in European cities, where parking tickets and permits are commonly required. It shows how German engineers consider real-world urban driving scenarios. Some models have slots in both sun visors, giving you multiple storage options for different types of documents. This is especially helpful for couples who both drive the car. The storage compartment usually has a small spring or clip mechanism to keep papers secure while driving. This prevents documents from falling out when you flip the visor up or down. Number 1. MBUX screen modes. Mercedes E-Class and select trims with Hyperscreen can split the massive dashboard display into driver, center, and passenger zones via voice command. Hey Mercedes, passenger mode, or touch controls. You can customize apps per zone for less distraction. This allows the driver to focus on navigation and driving information, while passengers can access entertainment, climate controls, or other features without interfering with the driver's display. The system recognizes different user profiles and can automatically adjust the display layout based on who's driving. This personalization extends to seat positions, climate preferences, and infotainment settings. Available in 2021 Plus models with MBUX. This technology represents the cutting edge of automotive user interface design. It's like having multiple tablets integrated seamlessly into the dashboard. The passenger zone can display movies, games, or internet content, while the driver zone remains focused on essential driving information. This prevents passenger entertainment from distracting the driver. Voice control makes it easy to switch between modes without taking your hands off the wheel or eyes off the road. The Hey Mercedes system responds quickly and accurately to mode change requests. The center zone can be shared between driver and passenger for climate controls, audio settings, and other functions that both occupants might need to access during the drive. This technology preview shows where automotive interiors are heading, with fully customizable digital environments that adapt to different users and driving situations. Here's the bottom line on these hidden German features. Engineers spend years developing these clever solutions to real-world driving problems, but most owners never discover them because they're not obvious or well explained. Take a few minutes to explore your car's features beyond the basics. Read through your owner's manual, experiment with button combinations, and don't be afraid to try functions you haven't used before. These hidden features represent the difference between just owning a German car and truly understanding what German engineering can do. Once you start using them, you'll wonder how you ever drove without these clever solutions to everyday driving challenges. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.